What if cyber attacks could be detected, stopped, and neutralized in milliseconds? This is the promise of AI-driven cybersecurity systems that are rapidly replacing traditional reactive security models. Unlike conventional cybersecurity tools that rely on predefined rules and human intervention, AI-powered security platforms continuously monitor networks, devices, user behavior, and data flows to identify threats in real time. These systems learn what normal looks like for an organization and instantly detect anomalies such as unusual login attempts. Across businesses and governments in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, AI-driven cybersecurity is already defending against ransomware, phishing attacks, zero-day exploits, and insider threats. When an attack is detected, autonomous AI systems can isolate affected systems, block malicious traffic, revoke compromised credentials, and deploy patches automatically. This proactive defense model dramatically reduces damage, downtime, and financial losses. AI also simulates millions of attack scenarios, helping organizations identify vulnerabilities before hackers exploit them. In cloud environments, AI security agents adapt continuously as systems change, ensuring protection keeps pace with modern infrastructure. However, as defenders adopt AI, attackers are also using AI to launch more sophisticated and automated attacks. This makes ethical design, transparency, and human oversight critical to prevent false positives, unintended shutdowns, or misuse. Over the next decade, cybersecurity will shift from human-led response teams to AI-led defense ecosystems, where machines fight machines around the clock. In this new reality, cybersecurity will no longer be about reacting after damage is done, but about intelligent systems that predict, prevent, and neutralize threats before they can cause harm.